Good afternoon. We have with us Mr. Dilip Shah, Managing Director, Prakash Chemicals Agencies Private Limited. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Would you talk about chemical industry trends as well as
Uh,
distribution trends?
Before I jump into what is the trend, I would like to introduce our company. Our company is like a group of companies by the name of Prakash Chemical Agencies Private Limited, Prakash Chemicals Private Limited, and Prakash Chemicals International Private Limited. We are all into a different variety of businesses as far as chemicals are concerned. Prakash Chemical Agencies Private Limited is basically an agency house. We represent Gujarat Alkalis, GNFC, and Opal and other international companies. Similarly, our private limited company is also represents multinational companies in the country, and our international business. We are spread over about almost 150 countries, and we are exporting about more than 200 chemicals abroad. So that is our basically the brief of our company. And when you are asking me what is the current trend is absolutely very volatile. We don't know, the pricing. Though there is a very good demand in the country, all the focus has shifted to India in so many chemicals. But today the the challenges are many as far as the raw materials are concerned, the pricing is concerned, and then of course, uh, how do we take longer positions because already the prices have reached to a certain level. So now the basic, if you go back to this, the only and secondly, another point which is very important, and very challenging is the freight part, and is the logistic part because freight rates are going up. I think the congestion on various ports of China because of the COVID situation. So the shipments which are coming from China or other places are all delayed by almost about 2 months. So naturally, with this kind of trend of the logistics, the prices are likely to remain unstable for quite some time.
So, when do you see the logistics and the supply chain getting stable? And do you see something happening in the second half?
It's $1 million question because nobody can predict that the current scenario, how long and how far it will last. I don't think so. Anybody can predict that.
Specialty chemicals is badly affected because of this. The margins have shrunk. So, how do you see, or what's the planning that needs to be done on that part?
Specialty chemicals, okay, that may be a temporary phenomena, but the I'm definitely very confident about the specialty chemicals because more and more applications and more new performance chemicals are coming in, and that is going to be the next era of the chemical industry.
Sir, you do what we can say, you do the distribution for principals, you do contract manufacturing, you also do distribution for the Indian customers.
So, as a distribution company, what basically we are into a number of commodity chemicals. So, what as a company we are thinking is that how do we do value addition to these commodity chemicals? So, for that we have started, thinking on the lines of contract manufacturing, where the products which we are already dealing in, what kind of value addition we can do. For example, we are into citric acid. So all these salts of citric acid, basically further derivatives of citric acid, that is what we are trying to develop. And so automatically that adds to our product basket, and each year we are able to add new products to the our range.
And what's your plan for FY 2022-23, sir?
As I told you, now we are looking at number of commodity chemicals where we can do value addition. So I think by the year end, we may have a large range of products which we can offer to the chemical industry.
And with respect to contract manufacturing, what are the products that you are presently manufacturing, and what is the capacity that you do?
Yeah, we have started with sodium citrate, uh, then magnesium citrate, potassium citrate, and number of citrates, zinc citrate, and then we are also thinking of going into becoming a fine chemical company that is having IPBP range of all number of chemicals.
One last question, sir. What's the revenue that you would be closing for FY 2021-22, and any plans of IPO?
No, as such we have not thought of an IPO, but as group we have already, I think, touched what to call the top line of about 2,000 crores.
And next year, what is the target that you have set for yourself?
Very difficult question to answer because looking to the kind of uncertainty. But yes, definitely our endeavor would be to at least cross what we have done this year.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for speaking to Indian Chemical News.
Thank you very much. And I wish Indian Chemical News all the very best. And it serves the industry with the way we are serving the industry. Thank you.